Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Today we are reviewing the Every Which Way Crochet Borders book by Edie Eckman. This was the second crochet border book that I purchased, and I loved it for years and years and years. Some of the best things about this book are the spiral bound, so it lays flat. So whatever border you want to use, you don't have to like put anything on top of the book or weigh it down or prop it up or stick it open. It just lays perfectly flat, which I really appreciate and really like. Need my glasses. It also has charts, and I am a fan of the chart. So this is one of my very favorite crochet border books, Every Which Way Crochet Borders, 139 Patterns for Customized Edgings by Edie Eckman. So my favorite part of the book is how it's made. So it is a hardcover and it is spiral bound. So it just lays perfectly flat, no matter what pattern you're working on. The photography is really beautiful, and they have a lot of different designs inside, a lot of different borders. Well, even we have tassels. Did you see the tassels? How cute, right? So it has a lot of different things inside depending on the kind of edging that you are looking for, and lots of tips of how to do it, how to start, troubleshooting. We've all had a waffly blanket. When we start out, it can be tricky. So how to do your edging on the side. It's a really, really great book. And how to pick your colors. So I really enjoy it. I also like that it has the written instructions. It has how many stitches to start with, like for your foundation chain. So multiples of 4 plus 1, and then your corners, multiples of 11 plus 5. I use that a little bit, but I also just fudge my corners. So I do it along the side and then fudge the corners to make my corners fit. And they also have, of course, the charts, which I love. Other bonuses of this book are at the end. Isn't it beautiful? So it has a whole appendix, so how to read crochet patterns, what asterisk means, parenthesis, brackets, crochet shorthand, so like what they mean by the abbreviations, and a little bit about reading charts, and what the symbols mean, what your different size stitches are. So all this information at the back is such a good resource. Working into the chain, like how to read your chart, what it actually means. Very handy. What all the stitches mean, including the fancy ones, you know, where things are combined together. It shows you what these all mean and your different clusters, which is interesting. And this one is your table of attributes. So this table has all of the borders listed numerically, and then across it has all the different attributes that the borders can have, such as reversible, wide, medium, narrow, undulating, straight, motifs, open or lacy, layered, fringy, or textured. So you can just go along and see if it needs to be reversible or whatever you're looking for. It also is listed here, which is interesting. And this is the best part of this book, in my opinion, is the border directory. So there is 4 pages of borders. So you can just go along. If you want a straight edge, you can kind of see this one, whichever ones you want. It has the number and the page number, so the border number and the page number, and you can just flip and go and look at the border of your choice that way, which is great. And then there's the glossary, which is, you know, just some tips and tricks, how to do some things, what the stitches mean, the clusters in written words, for people that prefer the written over the chart. And then just the appendix. So that is why this book is one of my favorites. So this is a super great book. It's a really good gift because it's made so well. It's hardcover, spiral bound, beautiful colors, beautiful photography. Any crocheter would be so happy to have this book as a gift or just buy it for yourself. Link in description box below where you can just buy it on Amazon. It's an excellent, excellent gift for yourself or for someone else that you know that crochets. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Comment in the comments box below if you have any questions or suggestions or your favorite book. And thanks so much for watching. Stay hooked.